Chicken afritada is another favorite dish in every Filipino home. It can be halal or non-halal. With tomato sauce, chicken is cooked with bell peppers, potatoes, and carrots as the main ingredients. Perhaps you've already tried this during fiestas, birthdays, and other popular Pinoy celebrations. But this chicken afritada is a special way of cooking your own afritada at home. The best thing about preparing your own food at home is that you can add some ingredients to enhance the flavor depending on your taste. For instance, you can add hot dog and green peas to make your chicken afritada more special and delicious. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you so much! Heat oil in the skillet over medium heat. Fry potatoes, carrots, and capsicum until edges are lightly brown. After that, you can set it aside. In the same skillet with oil, saute the onion and garlic until aromatic and limp. And then you can add the chicken. I use one whole chicken. You can use any part of the chicken you want. Season with black pepper, add 2 to 3 pieces of bay leaf. And cook the chicken until it turns to light brown. Cover for 5 minutes. As you can see the color, it turns into light brown. And then you can start to add the tomato sauce. You also can use fresh tomatoes if this sauce is not available. And this time, I'm gonna add another tomato paste. This is also an optional. If you don't have tomato paste, it's totally fine. And then, I'm gonna add about 1 cup of water. And I add fish sauce instead of salt. If you don't have fish sauce, it's totally fine. Again, you can use salt only. And you can add more water or as needed. Cover and simmer for at least 20 minutes. Add some sugar to blend the sourness of the tomato paste and as a replacement of seasonings. Stir to mix the sugar. Cover for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is tender. There you go. I love the very vibrant color of the tomato sauce. And this time, I'm gonna add the potatoes, carrots, and bell pepper. Then stir to mix it all together. And then I'm gonna add the green peas. And again, this green peas is an optional. If you don't have any available at home or in supermarket, you don't have to put it. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes to cook the potatoes and carrots. You can add some chilies according to your preference level, so you can adjust how much spicy do you want. Then stir to blend the spiciness or the chilies. At this time, you can transfer it to a serving bowl. Serve, share, and enjoy. I hope you like my video. Check the ingredients in the description box below. See you in my next video. Thank you.